So, what do these two shots of the Bruce Wayne stare tell you? This, this is what they tell me. The if you remember in BVS when Alfred says the rage, the feeling of powerlessness that drives good men cruel. I mean, the stare, the rage and disillusionment in Bruce Wayne's eyes in these two shots specifically single handedly justifies why Bruce Wayne, the multi-millionaire billionaire, would choose the life of a vigilante over the life of a playboy who has unimaginable levels of wealth, girls throwing themselves at him, unimaginable access to resources. He has all of that, and yet he chooses to be a vigilante. I mean, that sounds downright stupid. Like if there is someone who you just introduced to Bruce Wayne, to Batman, he has not read comics, he or she has not read comics, they'd be like, why? That doesn't even make sense. I want my comic books to make sense. Just show them these two shots. These two stares, or specifically Ben Affleck's stare, kind of tell you that he had no option. He had to do what he had to do. That is what his soul was calling him out to do. And make no mistake, I'm a huge fan of Nolan's Dark Knight trilogy. But I don't recall a moment in Dark Knight that is as poetic as this. As far as involving Bruce Wayne is, we keep on talking how great Ben Affleck was or is as Batman. But we forget how great he is as Bruce Wayne. His exchanges in Batman v Superman with Alfred, where Alfred is just worried that Bruce Wayne or Batman is becoming more of a criminal now, and Bruce Wayne throws back that paper cutting in him and says, Alfred, we were always criminals, nothing has changed. That particular exchange, it's some of the best dialogue written and some of the best acting ever, and not just in superhero films. And that is the essence, that specific scene, starting with Alfred expressing his worry to Bruce Wayne, explaining why he has become who has become. That forms the very essence of the Batman character that Zack Snyder was going for with his trilogy. I love Zack Snyder's Justice League, but then Batman has gone soft now. That is how the story works, because he regrets whatever happened, whatever he did with Superman. But I still, the Batman of BVS, Batman v Superman, is just pure love. That's the best version of Batman ever, best version of Bruce Wayne ever. Also, if you dropped here thinking that I'd be comparing Affleck's Batman with Pattinson's Batman, I'm sorry, I've not even watched that film. Nobody has even watched that film now. I do comparisons all the time. I mean, I compare Affleck with Bale, and I like Batfleck more. I love Christian Bale's Batman and all the films he has done, especially Dark Knight and Dark Knight Rises. But Ben Affleck's Batman is just, it's savage. It's perfection. Subscribe to Legend Martini for your daily dose of lifestyle, movies, fashion, career, health and wellness, and everything else under the sun. Don't forget to hit the bell icon.